Today's video, we're going to look at actual change, delta y, versus approximate change, which is dy. So if we're given a function, so f of x equals x cubed plus 1, we may be curious about how y is changing as I move a small increment. So how we denote a small increment is either delta x or dx. So what we're interested in doing is that if you tell me a point, let's say x equals 1, and I want to know what happens as we move to 1 plus 0.1, okay, so I'm saying that we're told that x is 1, delta x is 0.1, so I'm interested in moving to x plus delta x, which would be 1 plus 0.1 or 1.1. What we want to know is how much does y change? Well, if you wanted to know how much y changed, you'd find the y values of each point and then subtract to see the change. So that is our formula for delta y, the actual change. So delta y is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Oops, sorry. Okay. So here, if I'm interested in the point 1.1 and the point 1, I want to know how much y changed as I move from x is 1.1 to x is 1. Okay, well, I have to know what function I'm interested in. And the function I'm interested in was x cubed plus 1 and x cubed plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to evaluate the y values at both of these points. So this is f of 1.1, this is f of 1. All right, if we do this calculation, what we're going to get is 2.331, and this will be 2. So this is the y value at x is 1.1. This is the y value at 1. And as you can see, when I subtract and change, the change that I see, delta y, is going to be this 0.331. All right, so anytime in the book they ask you to find the actual change, you're going to find the function, evaluate it at one spot, evaluate it at the spot plus a little bit, that's the delta x, and take the difference in between the two. All right, good luck.